Question number 16. Between 1 and 31, m numbers have been inserted. So 1, 31 linde, you have A1, A2 and so on till AM and 31. Okay. So you have m terms that is inserted between 1 and 31. And such that the resulting sequence is an AP and the ratio of the 7th and the m minus 1th numbers. Okay. So m numbers have been inserted and the ratio of the 7th and the m minus 1th term of an AP is given to be 5 by 9. It will become A7, which is the 7th term of the whole AP, not the 7th arithmetic mean. So be very careful. It is not A7 by AM minus 1. It is the capital A, which means the arithmetic mean oda 7th term to the arithmetic mean oda m minus 1th term. Adoda ratio da 5 by 9. Okay. A7, capital A7 is very, very different from small a7. Okay. So in that way, if they had given the 7th term of the AP now, you should write A7. They have given the 7th number, which means the 7th number is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. Okay. Arithmetic mean order 7th term. So what do you have? You have A is A plus D. Correct? This is A. This is A1, A2. So what is A2? A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus D. This is your A1. What is your A2? A plus 2D. What will be your A7? It will be A plus 7D. Okay. And what will be your A m minus 1th term? It will be A plus m minus 1 into D. The same value. Okay. So now you need to find what your A is and what your D is using this. So let's see what we have. So we have A equals 1. Your AN is 31. What is your number of terms? You have m arithmetic means and you have two more numbers in the front and the back. So you have m plus 2 terms. You have m arithmetic mean plus you have two other numbers. So it's m plus 2 terms. What is your common difference? We do not know. So let's find out. So using the formula AN equals A plus n minus 1 into D, we have 31 equals 1 plus, what is your n? M plus 2. M plus 2 minus 1 times D vandu theriyadu. We do not know what D is. So 31 minus 1, 30 equals M plus 1 times D. So what is my D? 30 divided by M plus 1. Okay. Okay. So now I know what my A is. I know what my D is. Let us substitute in what we need. What is A7? A plus 7D divided by A m minus 1 in A plus m minus 1 times D equals 5 by 9. So let me substitute the values. I have 1 plus 7 times 30 divided by m plus 1, the whole divided by 1 plus m minus 1 times 30 divided by m plus 1 equals 5 by 9. So let me take the LCM. So the LCM is m plus 1. I multiply by m plus 1. So m plus 1 plus 7 times 30. So you have 210 divided by m plus 1 varum. Denominator you will get another m plus 1. So that will get cancelled. So let's see. M plus 1 divided by m plus 1 plus, let me multiply this inside. I have 30m minus 30 divided by m plus 1 equals 5 by 9. M plus 1 and m plus 1 will get cancelled. So I have m plus 211 divided by 31m minus 29 equals 5 by 9. So when I cross multiply, what do I have? 9m plus 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18 equals 515, 53, 15. 155m minus 9, 5, 45, 4, 5 to 10, 40, 145. 1899 plus 145 equals 155m minus 99. So I have 2044 equals 146m. My m is 2044 divided by 146, which is 14. Okay. A man starts repaying a loan as first installment of rupees 100. So 100 is his first installment. If he increases the installment by rupees 5 every month. So every month he's increasing it by 5 and so on. What amount will he pay in his 30th installment? So what will he pay in his 30th installment? They have not asked what he would have paid in all of his 30 installments. அப்படி இருந்தா sum கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். 30 installment வரைக்கும் எவ்வளோ அவன் pay பண்ணிருக்கான் அப்படின்னு கேட்டா you should have found the sum. But they are asking how much he is going to pay in his 30th installment. Okay? Understand the difference between the two. Now we are asked to find A30. Okay? So what is your A? 100. What is your D? 5. What is your N? 30. So what is your A30? A plus N minus 1 into D, which is 100 plus 30 minus 1 into 5. 100 plus 29 times 5. 100 plus 9, 5, 45. 4, 5 to 10. 14. 2, 45. Okay? This is what he'll be paying in his 30th installment. 18. The difference between any two consecutive interior angles of a polygon is 5 dB. So the difference is 5. If the smallest angle is 120, which means that is the first term, smallest angle is 120 degree, find the number of sides of a polygon. So you need to know what the number of sides of the polygon is. So what do you know? You know that in a polygon, the total angle in a polygon is given by the formula 180 times n minus 2, 180 degrees. For example, when you take a triangle, for a triangle n equals 3. So it is 180, 3 minus 2, which is 180 degree. What is the angle sum property of a triangle? 180 degree. When you take a quadrilateral, your number of sides is 4. So what do you have? 180 times 4 minus 2, which is 360. Correct? Angle sum property of a quadrilateral is 360. So this you should know by heart. So now the total angle of the polygon is 180 times n minus 2, which is the sum. So you know what Sn is. It's 180 times n minus 2, the number of sides. So what can you do with this? Let us use the formula. Sn equals n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 times t. So what is your Sn? Let us substitute. 180 times n minus 2 equals n divided by 2 of, what is your A? 120. 2 times 120 plus n minus 1 times 5. Okay? What do we have? I'm going to multiply this 2 over here. So I have 360 of n minus 2 equals n times 240 plus 5n minus 5. Okay? 360 n minus 360 times 2 is 720 equals 240 minus 5 is 235. 235 n plus 5n square. Okay, let me bring everything to one side. So I have 5n square plus 235n minus 360n plus 720 equals 0. 5n square minus 125n plus 720 equals 0. So when I divide the whole equation by 5, what do I have? N square minus 25n plus 144 equals 0. Divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 6 are 24. I have 3 12s are 4 3s are. So what do I have? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 into 3. So I have 16 times 9. Okay? So it's n square minus 16n minus 9n plus 144 equals 0. So n times n minus 16, n minus 16 minus 9 equals 0. n minus 9 times n minus 16 equals 0. n equals 9 or 16. Okay? So thank you so much for watching Math&Me with me, Nikhila Sankar. So idoda exercise 9.2 mudiyudu. So idukapram adutha subsequent videos la we'll be solving more exercise questions and exam questions. So ungalku edavadhu doubt irundhaduna do let me know in the comment section below, or you can even contact me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Subscribe and share it with your friends. It will be very helpful. All the best. Thank you so much. Bye.